Your AI agent can write code, browse the web, and call APIs. But ask it to sign up for a service or answer a customer, and it hits the same wall: email. Here's how to give any agent its own email address in about 2 minutes. Step 1. Create the mailbox. Sign up at robotomail.com. Name the mailbox, and your agent has a real address. Copy the API key. It starts with RM_. That's the only credential you need. Step 2. Sending is one post to the message's endpoint. 2 subject body. Receiving is where most setups fall apart, so don't build IMAP. Register a webhook, and every inbound email arrives as clean JSON. Sender, subject, parsed body, thread. Reply with inReplyTo set, and it threads in their client. Send, receive, reply. That's the whole loop. Step 3. Plug it into your stack. There's a portable markdown skill for Hermes, OpenClaw, and Codex, a plugin for Claude Code, and webhook nodes for N8N. And underneath, it's all just HTTP, so any framework works. That's a real email address for your agent in 2 minutes. Get started free at robotomail.com. Go build!